What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's M3Croft here, and today guys I'm going to do another unboxing from Fifine product. As you can see on the thumbnail, I'm talking about a microphone that is from Fifine Ampligame. So this, I'm just trying to, this is the AM8T. So this is a gaming stream microphone kit. So this is have an XLR connector, a USB-C connector, and a dynamic mic capsule. So has some RGB lights, which is cool. So this one that I'm using right now as well is a Fifine. I can't remember the model, to be honest, of this one, but I have been using for nearly 2 years by now, or 2 years already. 2 years already. So it was time to actually get a replacement, and Fifine sent me these for me to test, and I'm definitely going to unbox and I will test it out to see how it sounds and how it looks as well. So I'm really curious. So let's find out. Let's open and test it out.
So as you can see, that is the USB-C connector, XLR connector, and a dynamic mic capsule. On the back you can see it's a clean detailed voice dynamic cardioid capsule, convenient USB connection, studio XLR connection, quick mute, volume control, controllable RGB, and headphones monitoring. Practical microphone set, floating windscreen, stereo arm stand, adjustable yoke support. So that is the arm that comes with it. So let's open. So as all the products from Fifine, it comes with the user guide, that usually they are handy. And by the way, this microphone, basically you just need to talk, needs to be facing, you need to be facing with the mouth just in front of it, not on the lateral. But anyway, we will just go through that in a second. So what it comes inside the box, here the USB-C cable, the arm just over there that I'm not going now, well, I can actually take it off. So to be honest, I might replace the one that I have, because the one that I have is already a little bit old, and so it's definitely time for me to replace as well, because anyway it comes with it, so why not. Let me just put it back in the box just now. And the microphone. So basically that's it, what it comes inside the box. Oh, nice. Oh, so this is spongy. Oh, looks nice. So this is how it looks. XLR connection and USB-C connection, and for the headphones. Here for the volume, the microphone volume, and the headphones, and I believe this is for the RGB lights that is just over here. So let's try on. Oh, and here is to mute it, because so this is basically sensitive on the touch, and to mute and unmute from what I was reading on the microphone itself. So let's find out. So let me just install it and let's find out how it sounds.
Okay guys, so I have now both installed. Well, I have the other one installed because the first one that I was talking about, well, that I was talking with from the beginning, it was already installed. Anyway, I'm going to now do the comparison between this one. Now they have the filters on, so you are listening the first, let's call this the first microphone, and let's call the second microphone the new one. So it will pop as well on the screen which one is that I'm talking at the moment. So this is the microphone one that I'm using right now. That is the old microphone from Fifine. I love it. Honestly, looking into the RGB colors, is the shame that somehow with the lenses it looks like that is glowing, but it's like the green, it's kind of like between green, I'm just trying, even I can always use my DJI Osmo. Let me just try and keep. This is how it looks like the microphone itself. And how cool is that? But anyway, what it matters is the quality that is delivered by the microphone itself, and let's find out, because I have not tested, so I have no idea. So let's find out. So I'm going to mute the microphone 1, and I'm going to first of all I have to untick all the filters. Okay, so now you are listening the microphone 1 without filters. So this is the old model, the Fifine microphone, the old version that I have already for a while. So this is how it sounds without the filters. So I'm going to mute it, and I'm going to unmute the microphone 2, that is the new one, which is very easy, is just touch, which I like as well. So let's find out. So now I'm talking from the microphone, the new microphone. So this one is the Fifine AM8T, and without filters as well. So this one is now without filters. Both of them, they are without filters, and after I will just add the filters in both of them. Even that when I started, it was already with the filters on. So let's change now for the microphone 1. So this is now microphone 1 that I'm talking. Test. Hello, hello, my name is Mario. Let's change for the microphone 2. So now this is microphone 2. Hello, hello, my name is Mario. And by the way, this microphone I have to speak like in front, like needs to be straight to the mouth. This one somehow can stay on the vertical, but this one is a microphone that needs to be facing your mouth for you to get a better experience and of course a better sound. So let me just change for the microphone 1 again. So this is microphone 1 right now. Test. And this is microphone 2. Test. I will keep it on now. Just while I'm just saying what I think about the microphone overall, from what I can see, is definitely really good build. I like this spongy to protect the microphone because this is spongy. The arm, I have this one here, so is no point for me to use the second one. I will keep it in a box because I have it already installed. It's now connected with the USB-C. And by the way, guys, this this review is my own opinion. I'm not getting paid for me to tell what they want me to tell, so this is going to be based on my own opinion. And thank you so much for Fifine that sent me this microphone for me to test. I really appreciate. You guys are awesome. So yeah, I like overall you can see that has really good quality. I've been using, oh, I'm out of focus. I'm back. I have been using Fifine products for a while, and I have been always pleased with their quality. I'm sure that it sounds good, but I'm going now to, let me just add the filters on. So, okay, so now is with the filters on. So this is how it sounds with the filters on. I'm going to turn on, like I'm going to swap for the microphone 1. That is the old Fifine. And this is how it sounds with the filters on. So you heard like from the beginning was already with the filters on this microphone 1. So let me swap again for the microphone 2. So this is now the microphone 2. This is how it sounds with the filters on. So yeah, I will just keep it now just this way, and I'm going to listen all the sound coming from the new microphone. Okay, so I listen the sound that is delivered by this new microphone, and I'm really impressed. I have to say that both of them, I just already pushed the other one away. It's kind of like, you are retired, because now I will start using this one for my live streams and for my gameplay walkthrough. I'm delighted. I feel I can see that this one is a bit more has the bass, they are more stronger, but overall the quality, it's amazing. I love it already. I can't complain about the previous one because it's a really good microphone, and if you notice, you might even have a different opinion. You might enjoy probably more the sound from the microphone one, this one here, or you might enjoy more the sound coming from the microphone 2, that is the new one. But let me know, what do you think? What is your thoughts? Microphone 1 or microphone 2? Which one is your favorite? And if you guys have any questions regarding this microphone, or even the previous one, the old one, or about the filters that I use, you can always leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, and if you would like to follow me here, please push that red button just below, and if you push the bell, you will be always notified when I upload this kind of videos or when I'm going live. So yeah, guys, much love, and see ya in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.